80 cap 26 here, just repairs and hobbies, and we got the rest of the parts here done for the owl. Got the head done. See the head? Can you see the head there? And this is a cookie jar. So let's start with the eyes. When we get the weld on number 16 out, and we're going to put these eyes in. These eyes are a certain way they have to go in. So just be patient and snap them in. I don't know if that's right or not, but they got a hole in the back so I can punch it out. Let's see. Punch that out. I believe they go in. I want to get them in there the right way. Whoops. Almost lost it. Hard to tell. Hard to tell the orientation these go in. Like that, I guess. Let's try this one. Put a little glue in there. And I got this one. Okay, it's oblong, so go in like this. Oblong. Okay, so we got little caps here too. Put a little glue on each cap. Put that on there. I don't suggest really using this as a cookie jar. You could if you line it with a Ziploc bag or some kind of cellophane wrap, because I'm not too fond of the PLA. I don't know how food safe it is, so I want to tell you that. So let's just put those off to the side for now. And we got a nose here. Put the nose on. Like that. And we got little feet here. Let's take the top off so you can see inside. I'm thinking the feet go up here. Go up here somewhere. Let's see. They don't go on the bottom. They go there. And as usual, the glue gets plugged up. That's notorious for doing that. There we go. So where were we? Right here. You got to keep the glue standing up. So I'm going to put one there. Put one here. Like that. Let's have that set. Let's go back to the head. And take the nose off. Clean the edges here. It goes like this. There we go. Goes like that. We'll be able to sneak some glue in from the back. I don't really like the looks of that. Let's see. Like that. That. Okay, now what we're going to do is I'm going to sneak some glue behind it. Like that. Just let it set it there. Hope you guys are doing well today and feeling okay. I hope. Switch that around. I've got to put his nose back on, huh, guys? Yep. So let's sneak his nose in there. There he is, all done. Cookie jar. I hope you liked this video. I hope you rate and subscribe and give the thumbs up. I hope your day is going well, and I said that already. God bless you, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.